folk Tixilo art Lanthe. Hello children. Today we are going to draw your favorite picture. So like good kids, watch this video until the end. Watch and subscribe my channel. I love you all. Hello kids. Today we are going to talk about families. Families are made up of people who love and care for each other. They can be big or small, and they can include different kinds of people. Some families have a mom and dad, while others may have two moms or two dads, or just one parent. One thing that all families have in common is that they support each other and help each other out when they need it. We also have our own unique personalities and interests, but we love and respect each other no matter what. So remember, kids, families come in all shapes and sizes. But what's important is that we love and care for each other. And that's what makes a family so special.